Hi, this is Kelly Lee McFrederick with Beach Names Real Estate with RE/MAX Metro downtown St. Pete. We have one of our hot topics going on right now. It's flood insurance. So what I did is I called one of the experts in and said, help us with some flood insurance questions. This is Jack Rice, the owner of Jack Rice Insurance here in Clearwater. A local, you're second generation with Jack Rice Insurance, so you know your business.
Yep.
Okay, one of our big things is tell us a little bit about flood insurance, what it covers compared to regular homeowners insurance.
Flood insurance covers just rising water, so it does not cover wind damage that was caused by wind blowing waves or creating wind that would make water blow into windows. It's only rising water is what flood insurance covers, and it's covered by the federal government. Federal government backs all of the claims by collecting the premiums, and local insurers actually administer the policies. But the coverage is only for rising water.
And in some of the coverages, what is the difference is there a limit to the price of the home or the personal contents and even commercial?
The federal government only allows you to buy a certain limit per home, and that's up to $250,000 for the actual structure itself, and up to $100,000 for the contents that are inside the home. That's a maximum you can buy through the federal program. You can always buy more through a private insurer, but it's going to get very, very costly if you do so.
Do you recommend that for some of our $1 million homes to buy additional coverage? What has been your experience?
My experience is that most people will buy what the federal government will allow them to buy. Any excess of that gets very, very expensive, and homeowners insurance plus wind coverage plus flood insurance becomes very costly for a homeowner. So if you had something very, very valuable and it was a larger valued home, then you might want to look into actually buying excess flood coverage, and that's what it's called, excess flood.
Wonderful. Okay, here's the hot question. We hear about the rates going up. When are they starting to go up, and why are they going up so much? And we don't understand, and do we all have to have flood insurance?
Those are several good questions. The flood is actually determined by flood maps, and flood maps show elevation. And the federal government has gone out and done research on the elevation of a specific location. So the closer you are to the actual bottom floor, which is the sea level, the more expensive your flood insurance will be. As far as rates going up, rates are set to go up September of 2013 of this year, and they're going to go up significantly. So if you're going to buy flood, you should look into buying it prior to then.
Ooh, very good advice.
Now, the main key between now and then is that if you're not purchasing a home right now, but just want to purchase flood insurance, it takes 30 days to become effective. So if you're going to purchase it for hurricane season, you should buy it now, because if you bought it on May 1st, it wouldn't become effective until June 1st, and hurricane season starts June 22nd.
Wonderful. Last question is flood insurance, is that transferable from new owner to new owner?
It can be, yes, it can be transferable, and the rate itself can be transferable. So it's not like writing a brand new policy. You need to work with your local insurance agent on that to make sure that they can transfer it over.
Thank you, Jack.
You're welcome.